So different people have been having issue regarding loan apps or borrowing money online in Nigeria. And I noticed that most of these people don't know what they need to look into while they are trying to borrow money in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm not gonna paint any particular loan app black on the fact that what they are lacking behind and what you can actually picture out to see if this app is not legit to borrow money in Nigeria. But then I'm just gonna give you some examples that you need to look into, and I'll be showing you some good apps. Which, of course, if you see the opposite side of it on another app, you will definitely understand what I'm trying to tell you. That okay, this is the app that two guys finance are literally talking about that I shouldn't use to borrow money. So I'll just walk you through some top loan apps according to Google Play Store. So you can be able to understand, because these are the loan apps that people are literally using to borrow money in Nigeria today on Google Play Store. And some of them are also available on Apple App Store. So if you are very much interested in borrowing money using your Android device. So let's say, for example, let's try to use Okash, and there is one particular video I'm trying to work on regarding borrowing money on OP. So I noticed some new features inside the platform. So I would like to walk you guys through how to go about it. So let's say, for example, we currently on Okash app, and like I said earlier on, you have to think this you have to think this way on the other side of it, like I said. So just imagine you see any kind of loan apps out there. And mind you, you can see this app is the download users are over 5 million. So, like you'll see different new loan apps, and there are some apps that if you didn't try to use it for real, you won't be able to understand some certain fact about it, because you'll be very curious if uh the app will not borrow you money, because they are run different ads. And when you are searching for loan app, you also see that this app is actually one of the top rated apps. So you just feel like definitely this app is good, or let me just give it a try. So the first thing you need to look into when you're trying to borrow money is the review, the feedbacks, the overall rating, and the total downloads. And like I used to say on every loan app, so I will tell you the overall rating, the total reviews, and the total downloads. And I'll also walk you through the reviews to see what people are saying. But trust me, over 80% of people who are trying to borrow money online today, I can tell you, they don't just go ahead to read the reviews. Once they notice that, okay, they say the app out there, or they just proceed on to to use the app to borrow money, or someone talk about it actually, yeah. But that person, you might be interested in getting a loan for like 100K, for example, and that person just got a loan of probably 5K to sort out a quick urgent issue. Like you just feel like, okay, let me just give it a try out, and since this person was able to get a loan, I should be able to get a loan as well. Then you proceed on to use the app to get a loan, and all of a sudden they say you are not qualified to get a loan from the platform, which of course you might not be able to picture out what exactly is the issue. Is it the amount of loan you actually borrowed, or is it from the information or details documents you provided for them that is not quite enough for them to be able to borrow you money? So you can see these are different things. But trust me, yeah, trust me, if you use Cash, for example, if you use Cash to borrow money, they're going to tell you what exactly is the issue, because they're going to run some fact check on the details you provided, so that they will know, okay, if they'll be able to borrow you money or not. And they have also provided enough information for you. And trust me, 5 million downloads won't lie. Over 187,000 reviews won't lie. The overall rating of 4.3 won't also lie as well. But then But then, like I said, individual users have their own account. You cannot say that maybe I'm qualified for 1 million naira loan now, and you should be able to qualify for 1 million naira loan as well. It's not possible that way. It's either less or more or the same amount, actually. Yeah, it's possible that way. But then you cannot be sure that definitely I'm going to get this exact amount of loan, because we have different data, we have different information, we have different way of transacting, we have different way of using our account. And for the old cash in particular, you're gonna see what they'll be interested in getting from you, which is your name, your phone number, your BVN, because it's very important. These are the things they need to have to carry out some background checks on your account so that they will know how much they should be able to borrow you. So this is just old cash. And let me show you another app, which of course is also important. So this is New Credit, which is another fast and instant loan apps. This is also amazing app, trust me. So New Credit also have 5 million downloads. You can see the overall rating is 4.0. You can see the total review is 62,900. So these apps have their own terms and conditions. How much you'll be able to get from New Credit is literally different from how much you'll be able to get on Old Cash. You can jump down on Old Cash and request for a loan. Probably they give you, or they say you are eligible for 100,000 naira loan. You might come down to New Credit and get a loan offer for more than 100,000 or even less. So they all have their own different, but yes, they have most things in common. For real, they have most things in common. So far, they accept personal loan and business loan, because there are some loan out that didn't accept personal loan. So they are meant to give you a business loan, and that is their own terms and conditions. But then there are some that will just proceed on to give you a personal loan, which of course from 5,000 naira to 100,000 naira. And they have a short time or long time loan tenor, which of course you can use to pay back. So these are the things I just want to let you know you need to look into. You don't just jump down if you don't watch reviews about that particular loan app. You don't just jump down and download the app and expect the app to work the way you actually want it. Go through the about us, and once someone have already explained to you this app is good, just like you are seeing this video right now, and I show you some two loan app, which is Cash and New Credit. Trust me, you don't need to do any other research again. Just go ahead and use this app, because it's gonna work just exactly how I explained. But mind you, I didn't say they are gonna work just the way you want it. You have to provide your details in order to let them know what you will be able to get and how they should be able to borrow you money. So that is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you have any question regarding any loan apps or borrowing money in Nigeria and other countries like that, but basically most of our content right now are literally about Nigeria and all that. So we're still working on other countries as well in order to satisfy everyone who is literally in need of financial update. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to us on Guys Finance, and we hope to see you in the next one. Peace.